Hoshino Resort is a modern accommodation in Tomamu with lots of ski activities for families. This place is a little bit expensive for accommodation, but still you can access any of those activities and restaurants without staying at the resorts. So of course you can go skiing, but if you are not a ski person, you still can enjoy a number of other activities like snowmobile tour. You can tour on a snowmobile with a guide for around 15 to 30 minutes and you will get enough time to capture photo in the middle of the tour. They also have other snowmobile tours, like at night they have snowmobile tour under the moonlight, and they also have snow rafting and sled cabin. So this is a sled cabin vehicle. So this is buggy tour. For buggy tour you have to make a reservation weeks before your visit to resort. So I highly recommend you check their website for reservations because this tour can get filled within a few days. If you're not going for skiing, you still can do gondola tour where you can go up the mountain and enjoy this breathtaking view of terrace of frost tree. You can see pure white trees covered with snow and picture perfect view of the mountains. And then you can enjoy the Snow Mountain walking trail, which is a 200-meter walking path. This is a hike where you are provided snowshoes and you can explore the winter forest with a guide. In the middle of the tour, our guide served us with some snacks and hot chocolate. Ice Village access is free for guests who stay at the resort, but still you can enjoy Ice Village at night with ice restaurants, houses, and there also has an ice skating area. There are many more activities in Hoshino resorts like snow camping, banana boat, winter horse riding or snow carts, but all these activities are available on specific period of time only, so you have to check their website and decide which activities are available during your visit time. I will tell you where we stayed. We stayed at a place called Pension Inn, which is around 10-minute drive from Hoshino Resort, but the cost was less than 1/3 of the resort stay, but still we could manage to do most of the activities inside the resort. They provide shuttle service to go to Hoshino Resort and also complimentary breakfast overlooking this beautiful view. Temperature may vary depending on the time of your visit. And we loved our stay in Tomamu.